So we have some Magnums in the shop. We have 1, 2, and a third one down on the end down here. And I kind of wanted to show you the difference between those. First one here is a 24 foot. It just has the rollers on here. You can kind of see the system. It has the Edge Connect controller with the Rotary Tube Pro software. And it has the, we call it the auto bevel, which is your weld prep on the ends, and it has an XPR 300 on it. Also comes with our magnetic ground that goes inside the pipe. Cut pieces here, the cut quality on that. So we do the XPR 300 or the XPR 170 or 460 when we want to do cleaner stainless cut processes. And this is the first Magnum here. I think this is 36 inch. You can do 80 inches and down on that. So it's a little bigger when you get to the bigger pipe. And this is a Magnum that we're doing. It has the Techno head on there. We're fixing to switch that head out to the new pipe tracker, which I'll have some videos for that for you soon. But this is the Techno head. You can see it's just going to have the same bed as the other one here. Just a regular roller system, no ejectors, no infeed. And I think this one's a 36 inch and down. Of course, this will have covers on it when it's done. Y'all can see the inner workings of it. And remember, all of this is made right here in our shop, all the rollers and everything. This one has a Hypertherm 125 on it, so you can do all the way from the XPR 460 all the way down to an 85, 65, depending on what size pipe they're cutting. Now this one has pipe server and noon. And this has the noon controller with the pipe server software. And last but not least, we have a, I think it's 42 foot. This one has infeed, so it's already been shipped to the customer. So it has infeed, and you can see it has the Techno head. Also has those infeed rollers. And remember, all of this is made in-house. You can see the mechanism for that. See the chain. So these raise up and then feeds the pipe through. And here's your roller for the bed there. It has pipe server and noon software with the Techno head. Also, this one has a XPR 300. And these are not on the machine yet, but I'd show you those. These are the ejectors that sit in between and eject the pipe out. And it will have a table that it ejects onto, just for your information.